Are you tired of your MacBook going to sleep every time you close your lid? This video is going to show you how to stop your Mac from doing that. And this is useful if you want to keep your downloads running, external monitors active, or music playing without interruption. And the first thing which we have to do is to open our Mac settings page, and we can do that by locating and clicking on this little Apple logo at the top left of the screen. Then tap on this System Settings option. Once you open this window, you'll want to find the Battery section because that's where our option will be. You can see a lot of information about your Mac's battery life on this page, but we are interested in this Options button, which should be at the bottom right corner of the screen. That will open another window, which gives us some settings which we can customize, and you can see this Prevent Automatic Sleeping on Power Adapter when the display is off. I suppose that this option was disabled for you, so what you'll want to do is to turn this switch on, and that will essentially keep your Mac turned on, and it will prevent it from going to sleep, but only when the Mac is plugged in the power adapter. This is a limit set by Apple, and there is no option to keep the display on when the lid is closed if you're on your battery, which means that this won't work if you are not charging your Mac, so keep that in mind. But when the Mac is plugged into the power adapter and you close the lid, it won't go to sleep, which is just what we need. Thanks a lot for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you soon.